Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today's video topic is if you are unable to update your Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you are getting any kind of error while updating your Windows system. In this video, we are going to fix this issue. So let's start with our first step. Run the troubleshooter, Windows troubleshooter. For this, click on your Windows icon, then click on this settings option. Now on the left side, click on troubleshoot. Now on the right side, click on additional troubleshooters. Now here you will get this option, Windows Update. Click on it, then click on Run the troubleshooter. Now wait for a few minutes. This will try to identify and fix your Windows Update related issues. In the most cases, this troubleshooter will fix your issue, but in my case, it is not able to fix the error. Move on to our next step. Click on your Windows icon. Then type File Explorer. You will see this option at the top, File Explorer. Click on it. Now you will see your C drive and this contains my operating system. So open your C drive, double click on it. Then open your Windows folder, double click on it. Now here you have to search for a folder called Software Distribution. So scroll down and this is the folder we need, Software Distribution. Double click on it. Now you have to delete all the files and folder. So press Ctrl A to select all the files, then delete all the files. So these are the junk files. You don't need these junk files in your system. So delete all the files. After that, cut this window. Then again click on your Windows icon and type services. Click on this services option. So these are the Windows services you have. Now you have to search for a service called Windows Update. So scroll down and this is the service we need, Windows Update. Right click on it, then click on Properties. Make sure the startup type will be automatic always. If your startup type is like disabled, change it to automatic. Okay. Then after that, click on Apply, then click on OK. Now again, right click on your Windows Update, then click on Restart. So this will restart your Windows Update service. Click on it, Restart. That's it. After that, restart your system and this will fix your issue. The final step you can try is open your command prompt. So click on your Windows icon, type CMD, right click on command prompt, then click on Run as Administrator. Now you have to type a command here, sfc /scan now. So this command will repair all Windows corrupted files and this will also help you to remove all the errors. Press enter. And this process will take around 2 to 3 minutes to complete. And after that, cut this window and restart your system. So these are the few methods you can apply to fix your error. This is all for the video. Thank you.